Hey Zero Breeze family, today we're going to be going over how to set up your Zero Breeze Mark II portable air conditioner in your semi-truck and how to make sure it's working as effectively as possible. You will connect your Zero Breeze by placing it on top of your battery and sliding it back lightly until you hear the click. Your next step is going to be to grab this cable right here and connect the battery to the Zero Breeze. For truck drivers, it's highly recommended to buy a second battery and a power extension dock to maximize your sleep and comfort. To connect your power extension dock, connect the sides with the two cables to your batteries and the side with the single cable to your Zero Breeze. Next, you're going to attach the provided white hoses to your rear air duct and clip it onto the unit. After you connect the rear air duct, you're going to take your drain tube and you're going to connect it to the unit, and you're going to lead this drain tube somewhere where it can safely spill out water like a water bottle. Your next step is going to be to reposition the Zero Breeze, making sure that the rear air duct hoses are pointed toward the window. Next, open your window and using the provided foam cutout in your box, lead the two hoses through it and then through the window. Also, for maximum efficiency, any gaps in the window, cover with a towel or rag. The rear air duct has a dual purpose. One is to dissipate the hot air that's in your truck, and two is to bring in air from the outside into your truck as it's cooled off. So make sure that your hoses are pointed away from each other so the intake hose doesn't suck that hot air back into your truck. Turn on your Zero Breeze by pressing the button on the battery until the lights light up, then pressing the power button on top of the Zero Breeze and then picking your favorite setting out of the 4 options. For times with very heavy heat, you will benefit greatly from creating a smaller space for maximum cooling. You can do this by closing your 2 sleeper curtains in your sleeper bunk and by lowering your top bunk and putting down a blanket to create that smaller space. Now for times of desperate measures, you're going to use this inlet hose. This inlet hose allows you to extend the inlet into your small space, sucking out that hot air and dissipating it through the window. To attach the inlet hose, you will need to remove the original inlet cover on your Zero Breeze. Before installing the inlet hose, make sure to clean up any dust that may be blocking your inlet. And just like that, now you can enjoy the comfort of that cold air from your Zero Breeze.